Good morning, Azra. Thank you for coming in today. How are you?
Good morning, Ms. Dila. I'm doing well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Let's start with a simple question. Can you tell me about your educational background?
Sure, I graduated from Polytechnic Negeri Banjarmasin with a diploma in accounting information system. During my study, I gained both theoretical knowledge and practical skill in accounting and finance.
I see. What kind of experience do you have related to finance?
I did an internship at PT Sinarmas Putra Teknik. There I worked in both the finance and logistics departments. In finance, I was responsible for recording delivery notes and financial transactions. In logistics, I recap delivery notes and purchase order. That experience helped me become more detail-oriented and responsible.
Great. What software or tools are you comfortable using?
I'm proficient in Microsoft Office, especially Excel. I also have a good understanding of corporate accounting system, and I'm eager to learn any tools your company uses.
That's good to hear. Why are you interested in joining PT3 Success Wanatama?
I'm excited about the opportunity to grow professionally in a well-established company like PT3 Success Wanatama. I admire your focus on operational efficiency, and I love to contribute to your finance team.
How would you describe your working style?
I'm structured, responsible, and I manage my time well. I like to keep things organized and ensure tasks are done accurately and on time.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I like to know more about the structure of the finance team and what a typical day might look like in this role.
You'd be working closely with our finance and admin team. A typical day includes recording transactions, reconciling data, and supporting financial records.
That sounds exciting. Thank you for the explanation.
Thank you, Azra. We'll contact you soon for the next steps.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.